Don't bury me. Don't let me down. Don't say it's over, 'cause that would set me underneath the ground. Don't say those words. I wanna live and I wanna still my down. Only you can set me under.
Yo, can you tell me? Can you tell me what it's like living a perfect life when everything gets handed to you without strife? When all I think about is getting the knife and putting it to my wrist and taking away my life. I know, but that's not the life that I wanna live no more. But I know that I can't work it out, that's for sure. I wanna get better, I wanna work it out for you, but I can't when my mind's lost too. I gotta find another place, I gotta open up and say I love you every fucking day. I'm on my knees and pray. Be creative and it's another lost memory. See the subliminal message in the shit I see, but everything I speak, it comes from my mind and my heart. I say it right there and I let it all out. I wanna kill myself sometimes, I know I shouldn't say that shit, but why can't I say how I really damn feel?
Don't let me down. Don't say it's over, 'cause that would set me underneath the ground. Don't say those words. I wanna live and I wanna still my down. Only you can set me under.
I am perfect, living in perfect conditions. My forgiveness is sorrows of pain and discord in my life. And if I fly into the sunlit world of God and Himself, I can't work it out. But my life and my health, it's on the rise, and I gotta find another way to survive. And I'm fighting for my life, I'm on my knees and I surprise myself. Every time I do good, I succeed in something. I wanna get proud and get dedicated to something. Before I go, I want to be remembered as something more than just a fuck up in my mind. And my parents are always fighting all the time. Since I was 6, I wanna do that shit, and that's when we start to slip my wrists. And I know it may not have been my damn fault, but I know that I will always blame myself for my health. That the way I treated everything in my life and the way it turned around. Maybe if I did it right, the parents would be proud of me. Set me under the deep and darkest ground. I wanna be 7 feet under and I'm not so proud, but I wanna make my family proud of what I am now. Can you see that I need some help? I'm calling out.